I just stumbled on this AI-powered music generator mobile app with over 1 million users worldwide. And honestly, it blew my mind. It produces insane studio-quality music right from your phone. With just a short description or a few lyrics, you can turn an idea into a complete song in seconds, whether it is for personal projects or professional use. I went ahead and generated a song with it, and you are about to hear a quick snippet.
Time again, feel the love, feel the joy, listen. Snow might fall in another land, but sunshine still warm my hand. Mama cooking, children laugh, radio play sweet old chants. From the corner to the yard, every face glowing like a star. Hard times fade for a while.
Impressive, right? The sound quality, the vocals, and the overall production feel like something made in a real studio. What makes this even better is that you can use this app on both Android and iPhone. No laptop, no complex setup, just your phone. The app name is Musicful AI Music Generator. If you want to try it yourself, click the link in the description to download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now, let me show you exactly how to use this AI music generator for free and start creating your own songs today. Once you have the Musicful app installed, go ahead and open it. From there, sign up for a free account using your Gmail. The sign-up process is quick, smooth, and completely secure, so you can get started without any hassle or complicated steps. In the Home tab, you can listen to AI-generated songs created by other users in the community, and even create music in the same style yourself. To create, click on the Create tab. As you can see on the screen, this app lets you start creating music immediately. If you already have your own lyrics, you can jump straight in and turn them into a full song. If not, you can simply describe your ideas or the feeling you have in mind, and the AI will handle the rest by composing the music for you. There is also another powerful option where you can record or upload a reference audio. When you do that, the AI will generate a new track with a very similar vibe, mood, and overall feel, which is perfect if you are aiming for a specific sound or inspiration. For this example, let us create a Christmas song using the first option. You will also notice an instrumental toggle. When this is turned on, the app creates music without vocals. This is exactly how I generate background music for my tutorials and videos. Now, let us configure the style of our music. Here, you can choose the genre that fits your idea, select the mood, pick a voice, choose instruments, and even fine-tune the overall style. As you can see, I am selecting the options that I feel best match the sound I want. I already have my lyrics prepared, so I will paste them in here. If you do not have lyrics, you can use the Write Lyrics for Me option to let the AI create them for you. After you are satisfied with your lyrics, scroll down and select the voice gender you want for your song. In my case, I will go with a male voice. To personalize your song even further, this app offers a feature called Vibe. This allows you to create a voice and musical style inspired by your favorite songs, helping the AI better understand the sound you are aiming for. For this tutorial, I will leave the vibe settings as they are. Next, enter the title of your song. Now, before clicking the Create button, there is one very important step you should not skip, and that is choosing the right music generation model. Click on the drop-down list at the top, and as you can see, this tool offers several impressive AI music generation models. The great thing is that they are constantly adding newer and more advanced models to improve quality and performance. For this tutorial, I will select their latest model, which is MFV 2.0. Keep in mind that newer models usually cost more credits compared to older ones. Once everything is set, I will click Create. In just a few seconds, the music is ready. Let us preview it briefly.
Time again, feel the love, feel the joy, listen. Snow might fall in another land, but sunshine still warm my hand. Mama cooking, children laugh, radio play sweet old chants. From the corner to the yard, every face glowing like a star. Hard times fade for a while. Christmas make the people smile. Christmas in my heart tonight. One love shining bright. We give thanks, we hold on tight. Everything gonna be alright. Oh, Christmas in my heart tonight. Family by my side, from the morning till the night. We celebrate life. Oh, neighbors knocking, doors stay wide.
This sounds amazing. The best part is that I can publish this music on all major digital streaming platforms and actually earn from it. If you want a full tutorial on how to do that, drop a comment saying, "Please teach me." Now, let me show you another powerful way to create music using this app. And this time, we will do it by simply describing the song in 1 or 2 sentences. Navigate to the description tab and type in exactly what you want the music to sound like. For this example, I will tell the AI that I want to create a rap love song. If you are not sure what to write or feel a bit confused, you can click on the Get Inspired button and the AI will suggest a description for you. Also, if you do not want vocals in your track, you can easily toggle on the instrumental option to create music without singing. Next, select the music generation model. As usual, I will choose the latest model available. Once everything is set, click Create. After a few seconds, your music is ready. Let us preview it briefly.
Yeah. Yeah, got my heart in my hand, it's a wild little drum. Beats faster when you near, like it's scared of what'll come. Eyes sharp, cut glass, they slice through the room. A comet in my orbit, you the sun, I'm the moon. Sweat drips, clock ticks, I'm lost in the sway. Words fumbling like toddlers, don't know what to say. A symphony, it stumbles, but your laugh's a bomb. Calm in.
This is beautiful. Now, all your created songs can be found in the Library tab, where you can download them for free. You can download the full track, instrumentals, vocal stems, or even MIDI files. In the Home tab, you can listen to AI-generated songs created by other users in the community and even create music in the same style yourself. So, what are you waiting for? Click the links in the video description to download this amazing app and start creating real music that people can truly enjoy and vibe to. I will see you in the next one.